So this is Self-Healing Scraper. The idea is pretty simple. A scraper that notices when it's quietly stopped collecting something and then fixes itself. We built it for the Scrapeverse Hackathon on top of Bright Data Scraper Studio. Because here's the thing about scrapers. They don't usually fail loudly, they fail quietly, and that's so much worse. This one ran an hour ago. 20 rows came back, no errors, exit code 0. But look at the fields. Title, rating, availability, URL. The price? It's just gone. Nothing crashed. The extraction just stopped returning that one field, which is exactly what a layout change does to a scraper in production. The rows keep coming, one column doesn't. And nobody notices until a dashboard's been wrong for a week. Quick word on how it's built. It's TypeScript on Node with Bright Data Scraper Studio doing the actual scraping and the healing. Zod validates the config, Vitess covers the heal loop, and GitHub Actions runs the whole thing on a cron. And the flow is small enough to hold in your head. Cron fires, the collector runs, and we check the shape of what came back. If a field's missing, we heal, rerun, and check again. If it's still missing, the run goes red. So we don't go hunting through selectors. We just tell Bright Data what broke, in plain English. Scraper Studio replans the extraction, rewrites the scraper code, and runs it against the live page before anything ships. Same collector, no redeploy. And there it is. Price, $51.77 in pounds. First try, and nobody touched a selector. Now, here's the part we didn't expect. It doesn't just apply the fix. It stops, and it waits for a human to come and approve the diff. Which is fine if you're sat there clicking. It's useless at 3 in the morning. So we had to drive that gate ourselves, and honestly, that turned out to be the most interesting part of the whole build. Our loop answers the gate, waits for the template to actually save, then reruns the collector and checks the field really came back. Because the success status isn't proof, the data is. All of it runs on a schedule in GitHub Actions. Something breaks at 3 a.m., the heal fires, and the run either comes back complete or it fails loudly. It never quietly ships the gap. So that's Self-Healing Scraper, built on Bright Data Scraper Studio. The code's on GitHub, go have a look.